What's up, billionaires in the making? While you've been chasing traditional stocks, a secret group of investors has been quietly building fortunes in what I call green money. And they're laughing all the way to the bank. In 2024 alone, ESG funds attracted over $2.3 trillion globally, creating more millionaires than crypto did in 2021. What do I mean by ESG? I'm talking about ESG investing, environmental, social, and governance. And if you think it's just about saving trees, you're about to get a reality check that could change your financial future forever. Today, I'm revealing exactly how this green revolution is minting millionaires, and more importantly, how you can position yourself to be next. Let's dive in. Let me start with the ESG Money Explosion. Here's what the mainstream media won't tell you. Billionaires in the making. ESG isn't just an investment trend, it's a complete financial revolution. Check this out. ESG assets under management hit $35 trillion in 2024. That's more than the GDP of the United States and China combined. Companies like Tesla, Beyond Meat, and Vestas Wind Systems have created thousands of millionaires just in the past 3 years. If this is blowing your mind already, smash that share button right now. Your friends need to see this before they miss out on the biggest wealth transfer of our generation. Share this video. They'll thank you later. The smart money isn't just buying ESG stocks randomly. They're targeting 3 specific sectors that are absolutely exploding. Clean energy companies that have grown 400% since 2020, sustainable agriculture that's feeding a hungry planet, and green technology that's solving billion-dollar problems. Now, how do the rich make lots of money from these millionaire-making sectors? Let me break down the 3 ESG sectors that are literally printing money for early investors. Sector number 1, clean energy. Solar and wind companies aren't just saving the planet, they're creating generational wealth. First Solar returned over 300% to investors in 2023. Enphase Energy created millionaires out of people who invested just $10,000 5 years ago. Sector number 2, sustainable agriculture. With 10 billion people to feed by 2050, companies solving food security are gold mines. Vertical farming companies like AeroFarms are revolutionizing how we grow food, and early investors are seeing returns that make traditional agriculture look like pocket change. Sector number 3, green technology. From electric vehicle charging networks to carbon capture technology, green tech is where the real money is hiding. ChargePoint went public and early investors saw 500% returns in the first year alone. This information is pure gold. If you're getting value from this, hit that share button and send this to someone who needs to see it. Don't let your network miss out on these wealth-building secrets. Alright, it is time for me to guide you on the Billionaire ESG Strategy, so pay more than the usual attention. Now here's where it gets interesting. Billionaires in the making. The ultra-wealthy aren't just throwing money at any ESG fund. They have a specific strategy that I call the triple impact method. Impact number 1, financial returns. They target ESG investments that outperform traditional markets. The MSCI KLD 400 Social Index has outperformed the S&P 500 by nearly 3% annually over the past decade. Impact number 2, regulatory advantage. Smart investors know that governments worldwide are pouring trillions into green initiatives. The U.S. Inflation Reduction Act alone allocated $370 billion for clean energy. When governments back your investments with taxpayer money, you just can't lose. Impact number 3, future-proofing. Billionaires think decades ahead. They know that companies ignoring ESG will become obsolete. Just look at what happened to coal companies while renewable energy soared. The secret sauce? They diversify across ESG ETFs like Vanguard ESG, individual green stocks, and private ESG funds that aren't available to regular investors. If this strategy is making sense to you, share this video right now. Your future millionaire friends are counting on you to show them this information. Go ahead and hit that share button. Now stick around and let me show you how to start your ESG wealth journey. Alright, billionaires in the making, here's your action plan to start building wealth through ESG investing. Step 1, start with ESG ETFs. Begin with broad ESG ETFs like iShares MSCI KLD 400 Social ETF or Vanguard ESG. These give you instant diversification across hundreds of ESG companies. Step 2, research individual ESG stocks. Look for companies with strong ESG ratings from MSCI or Sustainalytics. Focus on companies solving real problems: clean water, renewable energy, sustainable food production. Step 3, dollar cost average. Don't try to time the market, invest consistently every month. The ESG millionaires I know didn't get rich overnight, they built wealth systematically over 5 to 10 years. Step 4, reinvest dividends. Many ESG companies pay solid dividends. Reinvest every penny to compound your wealth faster. Remember, you don't need millions to start. Some of today's ESG millionaires started with just $500 per month invested consistently. This is your roadmap to ESG wealth. If this video is helping you see the opportunity, share it with someone who needs this information. Don't keep this to yourself. Billionaires in the making, ESG investing isn't just about doing good, it's about doing well while doing good. We're witnessing a once-in-a-generation wealth shift, and those who recognize it early are already cashing in. The next class of millionaires won't come from luck. They'll come from strategy, consistency, and conviction in future-focused investments. So the question is, will you watch it happen, or will you be part of it? If you're ready to ride the green wave to generational wealth, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building content, and share this video with someone who's ready to invest with purpose. Let's build that green fortune together. Stay smart, stay future-focused, and as always, let's make that money work for you. If you want to make lasting wealth, watch this next video.